So it is winter now, you guys. We're getting the Mustang all prepped up. All right, get out of there. Anyways, we're gonna try putting the Mustang inside this little corner here. So we gotta kind of rearrange, clean everything up. It's been one hell of a winter. A lot of junk, Mustang crap. We're gonna put the two stock wheels back on, shove the Mustang back in this corner, move the toolbox, move the lawnmower, move everything kind of like over here. So in theory, this Mustang should just fit right there, and then we could put the CR-V right over here. So let me just show you what we're dealing with here. In theory, it will work just fine according to the math and everything, but right now we're gonna just going to swap out the wheels. I'm gonna put those inside the house so this amazing tire does not, whatever you guys want to call it, it doesn't get cold or anything, you know what I mean? So we put stock wheels back on. Let's get to it. And then shout out to Precision Built for sending me out this amazing 1/2-inch torque wrench, you guys. If you guys don't have a torque wrench for your car, I highly recommend you get one. I still use it, even though I impact pretty much all my lugs on. I definitely still make sure they are torqued to spec. Yes, we are using a 1/2-inch impacting on my lug nuts, but I have it on the lowest setting, so we just get them nice and snug, and then we finish it off with this torque wrench. So thank you again, Precision Built, for sending me out a torque wrench. I'm gonna put this to use. Let's go. So right off the bat, it's very audible, tactile. You know, it clicks nicely, and then we're just gonna adjust to 100 foot-pounds, you guys. Foot-pounds. Boom, just like that. Lock it in place. Should be ready to rock and roll. Very, very easy. That click is so satisfying, you guys. Make sure you guys get yourself a Precision Built torque wrench. So we are finally making some progress here. We kind of shuffled everything. Just kidding. We shuffled all the junk over here. All these all these Mustang parts, man, they just gotta go. Stock parts, air shutter intake, exhaust. This stuff has to go. I don't know. I might just chuck it outside, whatever. But yeah, we're making some room. Mustang should fit in there really nicely. So we're getting there. Ooh, this is my favorite part. We kind of shuffled everything over, you guys. Cold start. Will it even start up? I have no idea. Here we go. Oh, boy. Just listen to the beast. Yeah. So we're driving out, and then we're going to reverse it into there. That'd be the best bet. All right. So something like this, it actually does fit, you guys. I was a little nervous when we did everything, but we got the CR-V, the Mustang, with plenty of room. So over the winter, when we do content, look at this. Look what I found. I found a nice little table hiding in the corner. So when we do future content nowadays, or at least, you know, this would be the back area. In theory, we're supposed to be able to put a lift in here. I poured 8 inches of extra thick concrete on this side. So we should be able to put a lift here. This is what kind of imagined a little bit. The garage is supposed to be a little bigger, a little wider, but I didn't have enough land. So anyways, I'm starting to like this. I'm starting to like this setup here. Yes, we do have a heater up there. But yeah, at least we got this main bulk done. Clean up that ugly corner. I'm having my own little space finally, and we gotta get rid of all this trash here. Yes, we do have a Ram. We do love all sorts of brands. You know, we're not brand loyal here. We got a Ram, we got a Honda, we got the Mustang. So, alrighty, we're almost done with this video. But just want to show you guys what we're doing, getting ready for winter here. All right, as you can see, we managed to fit everything in. Yes, in the future, I would like to have a lift, and we could stack cars easily. But as you can see, we're double stacked there. You could, I mean, no, this way probably not, but you could definitely Tetris another car like laying this way easily. If we had like some little rollers, whatever you want to call it, but we could put another car here. That's where the other car goes. Anyways, this that was crazy. So yeah, it's a little tight here, but I finally got myself like a little workbench here, do my content over the winter. Mustang easily accessible, and then with the heater, boom, right there. So I do want to get some cool lights. So if you guys want to sponsor me some lights, I really would like some that cool honeycomb detailing lights. That'd be so sick over here. Oof, I'd probably try painting by myself. I don't know. But yeah, we got all that going on. Yeah, a little short video, guys, of update on what we are doing with the Mustang over the winter. We do get some products from lovely TikTok here. Woohoo! We got to do some products. And yeah, so that's what we're doing over winter. We're soon be pumping out all those Power Cruise videos for real. For real this time. Power Cruise videos for real this time. I definitely want to do like an ESS overall or like overview, like the things I love about ESS, the things I hate about ESS. Not that I don't know yet. I definitely want to do a review, a recap of everything I've done. We've done easily over 200 some posts on the ESS G3X. Definitely got down very, very good. So I'm very happy with ESS product for sure. And yeah, we'll just keep moving on through winter. But before you guys know it, might actually be a Texas 2K. So pretty excited, pretty stoked. In the works of a lot of people that really want to see this car down there. At least just be down there, not necessarily compete in Texas 2K, because that's a whole nother ball game. I'm a stock block, stock trans. That stuff does not even compete at that 2K event. So hope you guys enjoyed the quick little video, moving my garage around, and peace.